I have done something very, very stupid. I literally flew my drone into the sea. There it is. The drone that could not swim. In it fell. I managed to rescue it, and believe it or not, the memory card is still intact, so I managed to retrieve the footage and the photos, but man, do I feel like an idiot. It was expensive and it was a stupid mistake, but there are worse things that could have happened. I can confirm it sadly does not work as a submarine. I still can't believe it happened, but if you look closely you'll see where the batteries are fried. They've just absolutely gone. No chance of it working. I did try a different battery and it kind of made a few bleeping noises and so on, but no chance of it working, sadly. There we go, the drone that went for a swim and did not survive.